Welcome everyone to the stunning beauty of Thailand's second-largest island, Ko Chang. Nestled in the Gulf of Thailand near the Cambodian border, Ko Chang, or Elephant Island, is a gem that has been captivating visitors from around the globe. This is no ordinary island. Ko Chang is an embodiment of nature's generosity, a paradise that offers a rich tapestry of experiences. It's a place where the sun-kissed beaches meet the emerald-green jungles, and where the calm blue waters of the sea are a stone's throw away from the bustling street markets. Ko Chang is not just about its breathtaking landscapes, it's an island teeming with life. From the monkeys that swing from tree to tree in the dense forests, to the colorful array of marine life that calls the island's coral reefs home, Ko Chang is a naturalist's dream. For those who crave adventure, Ko Chang doesn't disappoint. The island's rugged terrain and unspoiled jungles provide a perfect setting for trekkers and nature enthusiasts. The numerous waterfalls hidden within the island's heartland are a sight to behold, cascading down in thunderous applause to the beauty that surrounds them. But perhaps it's the island's tranquil side that truly sets it apart. The white sandy beaches that stretch out as far as the eye can see, the quaint fishing villages that dot the coastline, and the serene Buddhist temples that offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, all contribute to the unique charm of Ko Chang. As we delve deeper into this tropical paradise, we'll explore the best of what Ko Chang has to offer. From the popular white sand beach to the secluded Long Beach, from the mesmerizing Klong Plu waterfall to the mysterious jungle trails, we'll uncover the island's most scenic spots. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this virtual tour of the best scenic areas of Ko Chang Island. On Bestdeutscher, our first stop, the breathtaking beaches of Ko Chang. Imagine a place where the sky seems to merge with the cerulean sea, where the sand feels like powdered sugar under your feet, where the warm sun kisses your skin, and the cool breeze whispers tales of tropical paradise. This is not just a figment of your imagination, but the reality of the beaches of Ko Chang. White Sand Beach, as the name suggests, boasts a stretch of pristine white sand that glistens under the sun. The azure water is so clear, you can see the underwater world as if through a glass. The beach is fringed by lush greenery, making it a perfect postcard picture of tropical paradise. A bit further south, you'll find Lonely Beach, a place that offers tranquility and peace. Despite its name, Lonely Beach is a lively hub for backpackers. Its charm lies in its laid-back vibe, the rhythm of the crashing waves, and the melody of the rustling palm leaves. It's the perfect place to unwind, connect with nature, and maybe even make new friends. And then there's Klong Prau Beach, a serene haven that offers a balance of solitude and activity. With its long stretch of sandy shore, it's ideal for those who love long, contemplative walks by the sea. The shallow, calm waters make it perfect for a refreshing swim or a fun game of beach volleyball. Each beach on Ko Chang has a unique personality, a different story to tell. Whether you're an adventure seeker, looking for water sports, a sun worshiper wanting to bask in the tropical sun, a nature lover seeking tranquility, or an active beachgoer who loves the energy of the beach, there's a beach for you. In Ko Chang, you can do as much or as little as you want. You can swim in the crystal clear waters, sunbathe on the white sandy shores, play a game of beach volleyball, or simply sit back, relax, and appreciate the breathtaking beauty surrounding you. Whether you're a sun worshiper or an active beachgoer, Ko Chang's beaches have something for everyone. Next up, the captivating waterfalls of Ko Chang. A small paradise tucked away in Thailand, Ko Chang is blessed with an impressive array of waterfalls, each with its unique appeal and charm. Among them, Klong Plu, Kan Mayom, and Klong Nonsi stand out as the most famous, drawing visitors from near and far. Let's start with Klong Plu. This waterfall is the most accessible and probably the most visited. But don't let its popularity deter you. Its majestic beauty is not diminished by its fame. Cascading down a vertical drop, the water creates a striking spectacle, especially during the rainy season when it's at its most powerful. And at the foot of the waterfall, a large, refreshing pool, perfect for a cooling dip after a long day of exploration. Next, we move to Tan Mayom. This waterfall is a hidden gem, nestled deep within the dense jungle of Ko Chang. Reaching it is a bit of an adventure in itself. You have to trek through the thick foliage, crossing over narrow bridges and climbing steep rocky paths, but the effort is well worth it. The sight that greets you is nothing short of breathtaking. 4 tiers of water tumbling down a rugged cliff face, surrounded by lush greenery. It's a sight to behold, a true spectacle of nature's raw power and beauty. Last but not least, we have Klong Nansi. This waterfall is the smallest of the three, but it has a charm all its own. The cascading water creates a serene ambiance, surrounded by the dense jungle and the melodious chirping of birds. It's a peaceful retreat, a place to enjoy the tranquility that nature has to offer. Each waterfall on Ko Chang has its unique allure, whether it's the dramatic cascades of Klong Plu, the hidden beauty of Than Mayom, or the serene charm of Klong Nonsi. The journey to reach these waterfalls, trekking through the unspoiled jungle, adds to the sense of adventure and discovery. A visit to these waterfalls is a true testament to the wild beauty of Ko Chang. Now let's venture into the rich jungles and wildlife of Ko Chang. Imagine an emerald quilt, stitched together by nature, spread across the heart of an island. That's what the jungles of Ko Chang look like. These dense rainforests cover a large part of the island, creating a haven for a myriad of flora and fauna. From towering trees that kiss the sky to a carpet of vibrant green shrubs, every inch of this jungle is teeming with life. Now picture this, you're trekking through the labyrinth of lush greenery, your senses heightened by the symphony of sounds around you. The rustle of leaves whispers tales of the wilderness, while the distant call of a bird punctuates the silence. This is not just a walk in the woods, it's a journey into the heart of nature itself. And what's a jungle without its residents, right? The jungles of Ko Chang are home to a variety of wildlife. You might catch a glimpse of a playful monkey swinging from tree to tree, or spot a majestic elephant grazing peacefully. And let's not forget the avian population, with a variety of bird species making these jungles their home. Bird watchers are in for a treat. But the real thrill of exploring these jungles comes from the unpredictability. Every turn in the trail, every rustle in the undergrowth, could reveal a new creature, a new spectacle. It's a constant game of hide and seek with nature. The adrenaline rush, the anticipation of what lies ahead, makes the experience exhilarating. And yet, amidst all the excitement, there's an underlying sense of tranquility. It's as if the jungle whispers to you, sharing its secrets and inviting you to become a part of its enchanting world. It's a feeling that stays with you, long after you've left the jungle. Ko Chang's jungles are a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. So, if you're someone who craves a dash of adventure and a generous sprinkle of natural beauty, the jungles of Ko Chang await you. And that, my friends, was a virtual tour of the scenic beauty of Ko Chang Island. We've journeyed together through its pristine beaches, where the sun kisses the sea and the waves whisper lullabies to the sandy shores. We've explored the majestic waterfalls, where the water cascades down in a symphony of nature's finest music, creating a spectacle of raw and untamed beauty. And we've ventured into the lush jungles, where the wildlife thrives in their natural habitat, adding to the island's rich biodiversity. Ko Chang, with its diverse landscapes and breathtaking vistas, has been an absolute delight to discover. It's a paradise for travelers, a sanctuary for nature lovers, and a haven for those seeking tranquility and adventure in equal measure. This island, with its unique charm and allure, has so much to offer, and we've only just scratched the surface. Every corner of Ko Chang tells a story, from the lull of the waves to the rustle of the leaves, from the chirping of the birds to the roar of the waterfalls. It's a symphony of sights and sounds that leaves you wanting more. And while we've tried to capture the essence of this island, there's nothing quite like experiencing it firsthand. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to you. Each place we explore gives us a unique perspective and a deeper appreciation of the world we live in. So, which area of the world would you like us to cover next? It could be a bustling city, a quaint town, a secluded beach, or a towering mountain. The choice is yours. Don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comments below, and please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to keep bringing you more such virtual tours. Until next time, keep exploring.